Magadira cinema chusaka, I was spellbound. I was speechless when I saw the film. I spoke to Rajamouli Garu, I spoke to my brother Ram Charan, I spoke to Alla Arvind Garu. It was a wonderful film, and I still remember the action sequence in Magadira, done by Peter Hain Master. And of course, Ram Charan had done a brilliant work. I still remember some of the shots which they had done, and it could not have been done in one take or a few takes. They must have really rehearsed, and Ramcharan must have done a lot of hard work for the film. So when we had the script, we thought Peter Hain Master will do, justice to the kind of script we had, because he had contacts in Vietnam, Thailand, and he knew what was happening in martial arts. Of course, in India we do have, but it is really grown there. They have a lot of techniques, and they have really kept that art very alive. So he made me go to Thailand. He gave me, like, with his school. He's got a kind of school which is happening there, and I stayed there for 20 plus days. And Allu Arjun was also there when I was practicing training. He was there for Badrinath, and I was there for Seven Sense. So the kind of work we had put in this film is amazing. Peter Hain Master taught me a lot. He made me train different fight techniques which I have not done before. The regular kind of cinema fights we do is totally different, and I had to again unwind and relearn a different kind of a technique to do whatever he expect me to do in this film. So that makes the beginning sequence very special, and also the climax sequence very special. I still remember editor Anthony, he called me and he said, the climax is ready. The edited version of the climax is ready, and I really want you to come and see it. And Murugadas sir also, he's very composed, and he never expresses that much. He's always a little kind of a reserved person. And he messaged me, sir, climax has come out brilliant. And same time I got a call from Anthony saying, you have to come and watch the rushes. I have a habit of not seeing my rushes till I go for dubbing or till I see the complete version. I don't see the rushes. So I had this kind of thing in my mind, but Anthony didn't let me do that. He made sure I came to the edit suit and I saw the climax fight sequence, and I was thrilled. Uh, I had to say a bad language. I had to use a bad word, and I had to clap. So that was the kind of impact Peter Hain Master created in the climax fight, and Anthony also put together a very tight kind of a fight sequence in Elam, in a seventh sense. Um, Harris Gerard sir also enhanced the whole fight sequence with a brilliant background score. All this makes Seventh Sense very special. Every film can be made differently with the kind of ideas, the kind of execution director brings into mind. Again, we keep discussing it. It is nothing big. You can just see, four cows or four goats, and same time it will take the same time to say we need four helicopters, we need four aeroplanes. So the director should be able to have the confidence in the script and have confidence in the team, and he should give us that kind of canvas. That happened with Seventh Sense. When we wanted to shoot in China, it was not like shooting in India. We had to work with an entirely different crew. We had to work with some 200, 300 junior artists in China. We had to recreate that 5th century in China. We had to do a lot of chopper shots. We had to recreate 5th century in India, and a lot of even the fight sequence, be it this Hollywood actor who's coming to act in a South Indian film. So whatever we wanted, whatever we thought of to have in the film, everything was made possible because of Udaynidhi, Red Giant Udaynidhi Stalin, and also to promote a film and to reach the film everywhere. The kind of publicity which they do post release is equally important for a film, like producing a film. And Lakshmi Ganapati movies, they are doing a great job there. I've been getting a lot of good feedbacks with the kind of promotion they are doing there. And of course, Diwali being a very special occasion, and I'm aware this film is releasing in huge screens, in a lot of screens. Thank you, Lakshmi Ganapati Subramaniam Garu, for doing a great work there, promoting this film in all channels and all media. I'm very happy this film is with you, sir. And I really thank both my producers here, Mr. Udayanidhi Stalin and Lakshmi Ganapati Film, for supporting Ela Marivu and Seven Sense in this huge manner. Thank you so much. Every film has to get bigger and bigger. So after the huge talk about Seven Sense and the kind of reception it's got, I have to again move a little higher. Have to live up to the next expectation which is going to happen. That will be with KV Anand sir, who's done Rangam there, and who's done Iron for Me in Tamil. We both are joining hands together, and this film, Tamil title is called The Other One, which means no, it's about I don't want to again reveal the script. It's a wonderful package with again Harris Jara sir doing the music. We have the same team who worked for me in Video Kade. This film should be next summer release, should be a May or June release, and very excited about this film. And it'll do justice after Seven Sense. If it should be the next release, then I think this is the best script I could get. And KV Anand sir has done a wonderful job. I just got back from Russia. I'm just waiting to plan my tickets and book my tickets and be there in Hyderabad to do live interviews and live shows. So again, thank you so much for supporting Seven Sense all over Andhra Pradesh. Thank you all media people for helping us when we come out with a good film, and thank you so much for all the support you have been giving us throughout and every time we make something special. Thank you so much for recognizing all the hard work. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali again. This is Suriya. నేను చేసిన ప్రతి సినిమా తెలుగులో కూడా ఇచ్చేసిన తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులకు అందరికీ ఎంత థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పినా సరిపోదు. All I can do is do a straight film with you, just not for interview sake, but it's really been happening. Talks are on. I really hope I can announce the film as soon as possible. I think it's already started coming out in the papers and in the internet media. I really hope that happens. It's been like a long wait. It's been at least 2 years plus I've been saying this, but I really hope and wish it immediately happens after Hari sir's project. After KV Anand sir's direction, I'm doing a film with director Hari sir. Mostly it will be Singham 2. So after that, I really hope and wish I can do this straight film in Telugu and live up to all the promises I've been doing in each and every interview. For all the support you have been giving me, for the kind of sensibility and the kind of support you have been giving to all the scripts, I think Ela Marivu will keep everybody happy. It is a family entertainer for all age groups. I think everybody should have this experience with Ela Marivu. I think it's a must-watch film. We won't be able to recreate something like this immediately in the near future. The whole team is very proud about this film, and so please do watch Seven Sense and don't miss it this Diwali. కేవలం ఇంటర్వ్యూలో చెప్పడం కాదు, వెరీ సూన్ తెలుగులో స్ట్రైట్ మూవీ చేస్తున్నాను. ఆఫ్టర్ కేవి ఆనంద్ సర్స్ ఫిలిం అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ హరి సర్స్ ఫిలిం, మోస్ట్లీ ఇట్ విల్ బీ యముడు 2. సో ద నెక్స్ట్ ఫిలిం I hope and wish and really pray it happens in Telugu straight. And one more thing, I want to make sure is for my next film, I want to start dubbing by myself. After Seven Sense, each and every film which releases, I'm going to make sure that I dub and I speak Telugu, and I will enjoy speaking Telugu in the interviews also. So it's a way of saying thanks to all the support you have been giving me. It's a long due. I know it's been a very long due, and I'll make up for all that from my next film after Seven Sins.